Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are headed out to the Freedom Factory to do some Spectator drags. Crown Vic is loaded up on the trailer. Got to strap her down. Dually's hooked up, and we're gonna bring the Burnout truck. Bring that rig with us. We never know. Sometimes if we want to go rip a burnout or do a donut or something, at least it's there just in case we want to do that. So about to head over to the Freedom Factory, see how we do. Seen a lot of badass cars showing up. Everything's looking pretty sick so far. Not as badass as this girl, but some pretty nice stuff there, not gonna lie. But anyways, again, I appreciate all the support on the merchandise, guys. baldeagle.com, www.baldeagle.com. Get your JH Diesel merch. We got the mud truck shirt this side up, and then also we still have the snapbacks. And then we also still have the mechanic shirts on there. We got plenty in stock, so guys, buy them up. We appreciate all the support we can get. But let's get these things loaded. Burnout truck is running, Crown Vic is running, and we're gonna go rip up some Spectator drags tonight. We're gonna go hurt some people's feelings. Well, we put these tires in here. I'm gonna put a little bit more pressure in them. I'm gonna put, I don't know, I think I got them like 20 or 25. I'll probably leave this side, and we'll just bump up the other side. Maybe put about 30, 35 in the other side. I don't even know what they call for in this rig. What do these tires call for? Oh yeah, put like 30, put like 35 in this side. Perfect. This thing's so sketchy. I feel like I'm riding on a freaking, I don't even know. It's got some body roll, that's for sure. How would you put in that one? 37. 37, perfect. That's good for me. Key thing on Spectator drags, you have to have working AC, because it's Florida and it's 98 degrees out here. And last thing you want to do is be rolling around with no AC.
Can't be sweat.
Nope. Cannot be sweat.
No sweat.
People are like, God dang it. All right, guys, we are bringing up the rear here on the parade lap. The only time we're going to be in last place tonight, right now. We got the last selection here. Not a problem, though. We got old LS George in front of us. Let's give him a little love tap. So we are lined up. We are right there close to the back, right behind LS George. And what a lineup of cars we got here. It goes all the way up and around the shop and then the entrance. So we're not even seeing a lot of the cars right now. It should be pretty good. Pretty interesting today. Try that for so long in this thing, and that was just the beginning. I didn't have the trans in the right gear, so next time get the trans right. Fire me up, dude. That thing felt freaking awesome, dude. I felt, how good was it?
It was good. It was real good.
That was just a trial run.
For a first,
we'll get better from here.
For a first one, I think that was pretty good.
Just had to try it out, so I'm happy. I still got a lot of tires left. I didn't want to burn these things off just yet. So.
been to defeat the other Crown Vic. Oh, come on, George! Come on, George!
Dude, Gap City.
So first round is done. I got paired up with LS George in the Blazer, and you know, not surprisingly, the Crown Vic completely pulled it off. No, it was a really close race. We were right next to each other. It was awesome. I was fired up. Yeah. Your winner times two.
Round 3, baby.
Old Parker. We got Cleet's brother here, dude. Teeth and turbos.
We're born with ethanol in our blood.
That's a little weird, but anyways, talk to Mark about that one. Anyways, guys, so now we're going to round 2. So we'll see how this goes.
Burnout. Everyone say your last 3 rounds set. That's what they said. I'm just telling you. $3. That was even worse. You got this guy? And it's out. I hate this sound. It's an absolute powerhouse. Got 456 rear gear.
All right, that was the end of round 2. I was up against a Chevy Caprice, I believe is what it was. I didn't get a very good look at it, but he was, things sounded pretty good. So I don't know how bad it was, or if I was way out in front or right there. I really don't know, but it was a race. I did come out on top the second round. So we're going to round 3, boys. All right, so we are going into round 3. I'm up against the Acura TLX. I have no idea what Acuras do. I don't know if they're fast. I don't know if they're front wheel drive, all wheel drive. I have no idea anything about this car, but that's who I'm going against. Round 3. We'll see how this goes. Also, new rule in round 3, we are doing the best 2 out of 3 races. So it's not just 1 and done, it's 2 out of 3. So you can start on the, whatever line you choose, you start on that one. Second round, they pick another one, you swap lanes, and then it's best 2 out of 3. So let's fire me up. Let's get out here and see what happens. The old Crown Vic is still running strong.
Fastest man driving a gasoline-powered car. Gas. Oh, good day, stop that. Roll tap. He's like Acura tap. All right, here we go. Crown Vic versus TSX. Great start for Jay. Oh, that's good. Get around.
Round 1, the W.
Acura on the inside lane. JH2 on the outside lane. Stage gas. Green light.
2.
How do we know who gets the inside line or not?
Oh, he's spicy.
Who's got Jay? Who's got the Acuras? Here we go. Oh, get up. Yeah, I think it's bouncing all over the place.
Oh, looks like we have a round redo.
Our official called that a jump.
Official called it a jump.
It was now one of Dave's friends. In fact, that guy probably doesn't even like him. Here we go.
Got a chance for redemption. Oh.
Gage looks like he's trying to get the lead again. He's lowering it off sideways.
Oh, he takes it back.
All right, so we are going into round 4 now. So we did a 2 out of 3 run on the second race. The dude beat me, but he also on the third race, we did a 1-2, and then the dude beat me because he jumped me. Well, he jumped me. So the official called it. Nobody I know called it. So we're actually still in this thing. The old lifted Crown Vic is holding her own. When you hit these turns in this thing, though, it's so sketch. It literally starts bouncing off the ground, it feels like. So, yeah, we're still in it. So we're going to send it. Round 4 coming up. Best 2 out of 3. I'm going to be going against the BMW SUV, but this thing sounds pretty nasty. So I think it's been sounding pretty quick all night. I don't know what's going to happen here, but fire me up. Still in this rig.
Oh, he's having a tough time keeping up with the Beamer, dude. Diesel. All right. Oh man, bad start for the old Crown Vic, dude. Driving it. Dang, buddy.
All right, guys. Well, we got put out. We literally are, I think there's 3 cars or 4 cars left. So we made it pretty far. Pretty impressed with the old Crown Vic. When you were hitting these corners in this thing, it was literally like hopping off the freaking ground. I was like, this is sketch, dude. Oh, we don't die tonight. But I'm super happy. And you know what? I'm not even mad because I lost to a freaking, god dang. I'm not even mad because I lost to a freaking diesel. I lost to a BMW diesel. I was literally getting black smoke thrown in my face and smiling the whole time because, hey, if I'm gonna lose to something, at least it was a diesel. I beat all the other gassers with my gasser, so I'm not complaining one freaking bit. But what a night, guys. This has been a freaking blast. Spectator drags, if you haven't been out to one of these, you got to get to the Freedom Factory and see these. They're so exciting. People here have never driven their cars on a track. They run these cars on the street every day. I mean, it was a freaking blast. So if you haven't done it, you got to come out. You got to check it out. Come out to the Freedom Factory, check it out. Guys, thank you again for watching JC's channel. We'll see you next time.